Good morning, children. Welcome back to the online session of EVS 1. I hope you are doing well. Let's take a quick recall about what we have learned in the last session. There is diversity in the food items of the different states of our country. How the distribution of crops varies in the different regions. The availability of grain, fruits and vegetables depends on the season. Which factors do help crops to grow well? The factors like good quality seeds, fertile soil, sufficient sunlight and water help crops to grow well. Children, you should eat fresh fruits daily. But do we get all fruits all year round? No. Different fruits are available in different seasons. According to the seasons, a variety of fruits are grown in our country. That's why the availability of fruits varies according to the season. Children, here is one interesting activity for you. Look at the fruits in the picture and make a list of the fruits that are available in each season. Means you have to write which fruits are available in summer season, which are available in the rainy season, and which fruits are available in the winter season. Include the names of the fruits you know even if they are not shown in the picture. And also find out which fruits are sold all year round, which fruits are not available in the rainy season, which fruits are sold in summer, in which season are fruits available in plenty, in which season do we get fewer fruits. Children, as I told earlier, fruits and vegetables are available only in a certain season. But do you know, children, nowadays some fruits and vegetables are available all year round. There are several reasons for this. Let's see these reasons. First, availability of water throughout the year. Second, availability of improved seeds. Third, importing fruits and vegetables from various parts of the world. Faster transport facilities. Because of these reasons, some fruits and vegetables are now available all year round. Have a look, children. Let's study this map. What is shown in this map? See the title. Famous food items in Maharashtra and neighboring states. The map depicts means represent or show something in picture. The map depicts famous food items from Maharashtra and its adjoining states. Adjoining means neighboring states. So, now we will study the famous food items in Maharashtra and its neighboring states. Children, if you observe this map carefully, you can understand different food items are prepared in different districts. Let's study which food items are famous in which district of Maharashtra. Let's see which food items are famous in the coastal region of Maharashtra. Thane district is famous for rice bhakri. Modak is the famous food item in Sindhudurga district. Nachni bhakri is famous in Raigad district. See, children, most of the food items in this coastal region are made from rice, as rice is grown on a large scale in this coastal region. Now, see, in our district Ahmednagar, Jawar bhakri is famous food item. Then in the Nagpur, which is the famous food item in the Nagpur? Orange barfi is famous food item in Nagpur district. What is a famous food item in Nasik district? Mande is famous food item in Nasik district. Peanut chutney is famous food item in Solapur district. Dhapate is famous food item of Latur, Usmanabad and Beed district. What is a famous food item in Jalgaon district? Brinjal bharit is famous food item of Jalgaon district. Children, we have seen different regions in Maharashtra are famous for different food items. Now we are going to see neighboring states of Maharashtra and their famous food items. Can you tell me, children, which are the neighboring states of Maharashtra? Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Telangana, Karnataka and Goa are neighboring states of Maharashtra. Now let's see which food items are famous in these neighboring states of Maharashtra. Dhokla and thepla are famous food item in Gujarat. Bafla and lapshi are famous food item in Madhya Pradesh. Which is a famous food item in Chhattisgarh? Dal bafori. Then in Karnataka, idli dosa, Mysore pak are famous food item in Karnataka. Which is the famous food item in Goa? Prawn curry is famous food item of Goa. Here is one activity for you, children. For that you have to prepare 3 columns. Make a list of districts or states and write in the first column. Their famous food items write in the second column. And find out which grain, fruit, vegetable these items are made from and write that in the third column. It means you have to write main ingredient of these food items in the third column. Children, we have studied different crops are grown in different regions. This variety in crops is due to the change in climate and soil. The crops grown in a region determine the diet of the people in that region. The main crop grown in any region is used to make various items in that region. For example, jawar is grown on a large scale in the plateau region of Maharashtra. Let's see preparations of jawar that the people in the plateau region enjoyed in their diet. Hurda, lahya, bhakri, ghugria, papad, dirde, ambil, dhapate, sandge. All these are preparation of jawar. In Konkan or the coastal region, rice, coconut and coconut oil are widely used. In central Maharashtra, jawar, bajra, groundnuts, soybean, sesame and mustard are more commonly used. So children, we have studied about the plateau region, Konkan region and the central region of Maharashtra and crops grown in that region. Always remember, a region's climate, soil, water and people's needs determine the crops that are grown in that region and also their staple diet. That's it for today. We will meet in the next session. Take care of yourself.